Before we dive into our full Philips Hue review, we thought it best to break down the Philips Hue family so you can see exactly what's on offer. While not a complete list, we aim to give you information about the different Philips Hue product lines, rather than individual products. There are loads of them. The Philips Hue lineup for LED bulbs come in a variety of shapes and sizes for just about any household lighting need. Here, we'll explain the key varieties of Philips Hue light bulbs, what sizes are available in each type, and what light fixtures they'll fit in. Also included are non-light bulbs, like switches and lamps. This is Philips' most basic Hue LED bulb type. All of the Hue white bulbs shine with a warm white light. The color temperature of these light bulbs is not adjustable. However, they do still connect to the Hue bridge for full wireless control, and their simplicity helps keep the price down. Philips offers standard size A19E26 Hue white bulbs with a color temperature of 2700 K. It also offers outdoor-ready PAR 38 bulbs that can serve as floodlights. The PAR 38 bulbs can screw into an E26 light fixture, and have a 3000 K color temperature. The Philips Hue White Ambience light bulbs make things a bit more exciting, as all of these bulbs offer a wide range of color temperatures, ranging from a warm 2200 K all the way up to 6500 K, akin to daylight. These bulbs can help set a mood, whether you're trying to wind down with warm lights, or wake up with cool white light. Philips offers the Hue White Ambience for the E26 and the smaller E12 light socket types, as well as the GU10 lamp sockets. The bulbs themselves also come in a wide variety, from smaller lamp bulbs to standard size bulbs and up to BR30 indoor floodlights to help you brighten up large rooms. The party really starts with the Philips Hue White and Color Ambience bulbs. All of these Philips Hue light bulbs can shine with a broad range from warm white to a cool daylight white, and they also are configurable with 16 million different colors. In other words, if you have a very specific lighting scheme in mind, these are the ones that can support it. Of course, with the increased functionality comes a higher price tag. Philips offers the Hue and White color balance bulbs in the A19, PAR 16, and BR30 sizes for E26 fittings, B39 for the E12 fitting, and as a GU10 model.